Hello guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, and I'm here with Dr. Kelani to show you tutorial how to do an SDI cable when you're on a low budget. What do I mean? This is a coaxial cable RG59. If you don't have that budget to buy already made one, I'm going to be showing some demonstration by Mr. Kelani how to get this done. What do you need? You just need this cable and you just need B and C adapters. So stay tuned as he demonstrates to you how to do this. Thank you.
Now them say our generation no get better future, but now like them talk, so I go throw away and talk my own. Oh, cause every word I speak is it for my destiny, yeah. So I'm just gonna speak forth my prophecy. I will be the light in a dark and crazy world. I will be the one who sees the wrong and makes it right. And I'll take a stand, bringing change to my generation. I will be the light. Yeah, yes, I am the one. I say there is hope for my generation. I say it is my time I've taken over. I say I'm witnessing a revolution. No, and not true I talk, so make una join me talk better. Talk better. Yeah, cause every word I speak is it for my destiny. So I'm just gonna speak for my prophecy. In a dark and crazy world, I will be the one who sees the wrong and makes it right. Yeah, makes it right. Bringing change to my generation. I will be the light. Yes, I will be. Yes, I am the one. Everybody now, come see me now. Africa, come shake it up. War people, check it out. Ha! He just say, as the son of the light, I wanna shine through this nation. Yeah. We are the future. Yes, we are the future. Cause we are the future. We are the future. See, as the son of the light, the one to make it so right. So let us spirit unite and let this reign in this nation. Cause we are the future. Cause we are the future. Cause we are the future.